Think about Ola in your bona. Think about Ola you don't show. Think about hey. Think about bani. Hey, Ola you don't. Think about hey, Ola you don't. Think about Think about
Hello, Joe, Dadia.
Because we're not getting.
Sorry, you know, Lagos State has a way of changing you. You know that?
So you are from Lagos?
That is to say, I'm a Lagos boy. Eko ni baje. Excuse me. It will be an offense on me if I allow a beautiful girl like you walk under the sun. Hop in, let me drop you.
No, thank you. I have legs. I like walking.
It's all right.
What are you doing?
Since you have decided to punish yourself under the sun, let me join you.
Hey, Chimo. And why on earth do you want to do such a thing?
Kosi yawere.
Meaning?
Meaning that I like you. In fact, I love you.
You better slow down with this your bicycle without tire. Don't think you can come to this village and confuse me. Or man walk.
Yegba! Ha! Tell me.
Okay. Where's the snake?
There was no snake. I was only admiring God's handwork.
You this man. Are you sure you're not one of those people that ran away from Sabbath Church in Ozubodi?
You're very funny. You are very funny. Hop in, let me drop you. What is there? Come here. Oh! Do you know I almost lost my manners? Wale kia, wale simbe, velu change. Osho de wale okay, velu change. To ba bo enwe, e ma yata pa fun. Wen won no juta. Ntori pe ma nde fun. So fun me pe. Ya mo bo na nkonko he. Ma so. To ba no hi.
If I say now you are foolish in your stupid nature, you would think I have insulted you.
Akwefugo, yet you say you've not insulted me. Beatrice, did I do evil by helping you in your time of trouble?
Hey! Anyone who hears the way you just spoke would think that you borrowed me your important husband for the night.
What did you just call my husband now? Hey! What did you just call my husband now? Hey! Ebuka! Hey! Ebuka one! Hey! Ebuka one is back! Hey! Are you sleeping? Hey! Welcome, my son.
Relax.
How can you tell me to calm down when I have been mocked by all the witches in Ezidefite? Ebuka, what happened?
That one is a long story.
A long story? A long story that kept you away from Ezidefite for good 8 years. We even thought you died.
You thought I was dead?
Yes. That's not
Otale.
You don't remember me? But you remember coming to eat Otara in my house? Imagine Mokudre, a foreman.
I don't know. I don't remember. I can't place you. Iyamileko. To bobo we my tap phone. We won no jota. If you move no you can call him. Oh show you okay. Wale, will you change? ó ṣòdì òkè wọn ló pẹ̀lú change.
Let's go inside.
Ìyá mi lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ìyá mi lẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Let's go.
My money, please.
When you are tired, you go.
Ìyá mi lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ìyá mi lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ìyá mi o.
Either he's a thief or a ghost. Where could he have gotten this money to buy a car from? Ebuka, a car owner.
Lagos and Cotonou, and no one heard from you for 8 years. Your uncle Ozemena came back one year and told us that you died in a fire incident in Shagamu.
Uncle Ozemena is a drunk. He stays in a lorry. How could he have known what happened to me in Lagos? Yeah.
He even brought a newspaper report.
And you believed him?
What would I do? For 5 years, we did the burial, and it was big, and many people came.
Whose burial?
Your burial. We believed you were dead.
And what did Ekene do about all this?
Ekene, he has his own problems.
Where is he?
That is a long story. He will tell you himself when he returns tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Mama, I have been asking you, who is this girl that keeps smiling? I have asked you this question several times. Each time I ask, the only thing you do is to replace my beer. This is the 6th bottle, and you've not given me any answer.
Ebuka, it is a long story. Are we not celebrating? Yeah.
A long story. Another long story with celebration, Mama. It's all right. It's okay. Oshodiwale, pẹ̀lú change. Oshodiwale, pẹ̀lú change. Fumo bonan konko ya. Nítorí pé man dey kwen. Mama, you will not. Look at you. You did not even ask me. How did I learn all these things? What am I even speaking? As if you know that was I speaking Yoruba before I traveled? Eh? You should have asked. Mama, let me tell you. Is it this Yoruba language? I am an expert on Yoruba language. Do you know that Oba of Lagos, anytime he wants to hold a meeting with some international personalities, he invites me. Do you know there is this one language? There is this language in Yoruba. Each time Oba speaks the language, all expatriates stands up and give him standing ovation. Do you know what it is? Change.
Ah, is it Buhari type of change?
This is Yoruba. Whenever the Oba says Oshodiwale, Belu change, all the expatriates stand up and give him standing ovation.
Ewe.
Ah! Ó ti kú ni. Eléwòrè ni o. Ó ti wà mí. Léwòrè ni. Ó léwòrè ni. Ó tún torí pé mande pé. Tó mo mo ta ko fe. Ha! Fún mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ nǹkan ko ya nítorí pé mande pé. Oshodiwale pẹ̀lú change ó ti kú. Ó ti kú mi. Kí ló dé? Kí ni ní eléyìí? Kí ni wá? Kí ni pọ̀pọ̀? Kí ni wá? Olè. Eh?
What is the problem?
Mama, don't ask me what is the problem. You're asking me what is the problem as if you don't know what is the problem. By the look on your face. With the look on your face, Mama, you know what the problem is. With the look on your face, Mama, you know what the problem is. So don't ask me.
No what?
No what, Opa. Mama, what is that smiling hyena doing on my bed naked? What is that smiling hyena doing naked on my bed?
Naked.
Mama, how many times will I repeat it? How many times will I repeat it? Mama? What kind of question is that one? Eh? How will I know if I or not? Were you not the person who gave me 6 bottles of potato? How will I know where I was? Did I know where I was? Did I know? Mama? How am I even sure she did not rape me? Yeah?
Hey! I didn't well loaded. I didn't well loaded. Ile mani ga hungazi chuku. I didn't well loaded, Mama. Good morning.
Good morning. How was your night?
I didn't well loaded. Ile mani ga hungazi chuku. I didn't well loaded. My husband. Will you like to eat before taking your bath or after?
What did she call me? Who?
Who else? You, of course. You remember the girl I told you about the last time you came?
That was 8 years ago.
Just answer the question.
Mama, please remember to tell him all the things I wanted to tell him before.
Yes, sir.
I remember. And I equally remember telling you that I don't want a wife. I don't want any woman.
I knew you did not mean all these things. Because when I saw the look in your eyes, the first time you met her. So, I went ahead to pay her bride price, hoping to tell you when you come back, but you never did.
Mama, so you kept her for these 8 years?
Yes. She's a very good girl. Even when we buried you.
Buried you?
Sorry, buried your picture. She refused to go back, insisting that you will come back, that you are still alive. And the husband is still alive.
Husband? Who?
You now.
Mama, I remember vividly. I never told you at any point that I wanted a woman or a wife. So you went and married a 15 years old girl and kept for me. You better return her to her parents.
They died 2 years ago.
Yes. Very sad. They died a week apart from Ukwaranta.
That is tuberculosis. Thank you very much. Mama, I don't want. Sorry, don't cry. Don't cry. God, did you tell him my situation?
How many things will I tell him at a time?
I'm going to make a name. Mama, I'm going to not have a will.
Suki, stop crying. Eh? But did he? You will go back tonight. He must eat his food by fire, by force.
And why are you doing all this? You don't even know anything about me.
I know everything that I need to know about you. I know that your mother is our lover.
Ologini,
Olopa is a Yoruba language that means a policeman who is doing well in his work. In her case, it is her work. I'm also aware that you were born in Port Harcourt.
Yes, so we call it pitakwa. So what do you want from me?
Well, I am a businessman who lived almost all his life in Lagos. I have traveled to Cotonou and some other countries. I decided to come back home to look for a wife because I want to marry.
So you did not see any woman in Lagos and the places you have mentioned?
Where I stay, in fact in Lagos and the places that I saw beautiful girls. Even to the extent that now them they rush us, you know. But that is not what I want. I am looking for a true love. What? Show more.
And it is me, Obiageli, you want to marry, just like that.
Of course. It is you, Obegeli, that I want to marry. It is you that my heart yearns for. You understand? I just want you to take your time and think about... Excuse me. Sorry. My phone. Hello? Senator? I salute you. Bawo Nishe? Yes, sir. Senator, it's me, Tenkobo. Did my voice change? Ewo, Senator. Mo ni around o. I am not around. Mo ni around. Yes, I traveled. No, Senator, you don't have to worry yourself. Have I disappointed you? Have I ever disappointed you, Senator? I have not. So I will not disappoint you. It's all right, Senator. I will call you later. By the way, Senator, how is Abuja? When no jota. Shobon kotonso. Senator, oti babwe, Eko ni baje. Eko oni baje. Abi o money. Show wolobe. Yes, sir. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye. Odaro. It is one of my business partners, you know.
Was that really a senator?
A senator. A senator of Federal Republic. Let me tell you, very soon you will get to know me better. This man standing before you, I am Oloye Tenkobo, the Omoba one of Mushi, the special advisor to Oluomo of Oshodi, special advisor to Oba of Lagos, the best friend of His Excellency, Governor of Lagos State, Omo Igbo Tonsho Fuji. That is me. So relax. By the way, take this. I want you to think about all that I have said. By the way, Moti Werenia, that is to say, let me bid well to your mother. Can you call her? Let me, you know. Askari Werenia. Askari Werenia.
Waiting, call me that one.
Askari Werenia is a Yoruba language that means you will be promoted to commissioner.
Oh, amen. Oh.
Is that right? Is that
amen.
Right?
Person don't suffer too much for this one, not this one.
Yeah.
For waiting now.
They say person wey no person. Now they call person. This is for you.
For me.
Werenia.
Hey.
Werenia.
Thank you.
Werenia. It means say it aloud. Sing the phrases.
You will come again.
Osigari Werenia. Askari Werenia.
You will come again.
Shoti Werenia.
You will come again.
Askari Werenia. Babe. Yeah.
You will come again.
Omolomo yeah. Yeah means you will continue smiling. That is yeah. It's okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
How much to give you?
Hey, Mama, 10K.
You mean I'm?
10,000.
Bring my own. Even that in pocket, eh? The kind money why I see for that in pocket go reach 50 baht.
He pass.
Yeah.
Mama, he pass. As we dey even talk, one senator call him. He say na him business partner.
You mean I'm? Wait you come tell am. You agree am happen?
I be wan do shakara now as usual.
Yeah. Shakara? As tear rubber motor, abi as a Belgian motor. Which one? See, make I tell you. You see this one? Tire. Chena. Before them go play your tape, give them. They do shakara. Okay.
I don't understand. What don't you understand? Never. Did I speak French? Yamileko. Is it true? Ebuka. Or Tenkobo, whatever you choose to call yourself. I beg you, please come to that shrine and take your possession.
Ebuka, my son. When your father died suddenly and we couldn't reach you, the oracle gave us 2 years to bring you
2 good years? Well, you're busy finding this idiot.
Or there will be more deaths in this family. 2 years. You didn't return. And your brother Ekene here was forced to take over the position of the chief priest till you return.
No, you're here. Okay. Come to Ibudu Shrine so that we officially hand you over. You take off from where I stop. Ekene, let me ask you this simple question. Did I force you to go and take the position of the chief priest of Ibudu? Did I? You accepted to take that destiny, so be there. Is this your son normal? Is he normal? I'm just asking. Is he normal? See, let him not test me. I'm not well. I'm not well at all. Let me tell you, do I look like any hospital have my cure?
Ebuka, you know that this thing always fall on the last son of the family.
Mama, you should have given birth to another son who will be interested in taking over the juju or the oracle.
He's my husband. Don't be angry.
If I slap you, who's your husband? If I slap you, you will disappear from this place and appear in your father's house. Husband. You mad? Ebuka, I'm giving you 2 solid weeks, which is 14 days running. I'll wait patiently for you to come and take over the possession of Ibudu Shrine. If I wait and I didn't see you, I'll carry the shrine back to this compound.
You can't do that.
What you done now? Iyamileko, did you hear your song threatening my life? No problem. He is threatening me with juju. Let me warn him. If he tries any nonsense on me, I will show him why Toale boys call me Olo Tenkobo. Tell him, I'm not joking.
Hey! Which one is Tuwale boys again? Ebuka?
Yes, look. I am not in Nigeria. I'm in Cotonou. Cotonou somewhere around Port Novo. behind Aflawo. Eh? What is it you don't understand? Don't you know that people can roam their numbers? I roamed my number. Don't worry yourself. When I come back to Nigeria, I will call you. Relax. When I come back, I will call you. This is as simple as ABC. It's all right. Let me call you later. Bye-bye.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, fine girl.
I'm looking for Mama Ekene.
Mama Ekene? She went out. I learned that today is market day.
Yes. That's true. Today is market day.
Is there any problem?
My mother asked me to come and collect the money she's owing her.
Afoma?
Yes.
I remember telling her to come today and collect it. It's all right. That is it.
Are you Oloye Tenkobo?
Tenkobo. One and only Tenkobo.
Thank you, sir.
You're a fine girl. Honestly.
You hear the voice?
I dey hear that.
That's usually the goat, the size that I say on my heart. I'll give to my love.
Thank you, my son. God bless you.
Where's Obegin?
Oh, she go new. She go see my cousin.
You mean you have family around?
You know this is our police work now. Everywhere we get family.
My heart caught. I was thinking which was trying to avoid me.
Hold on.
I've not seen her for 2 weeks now.
Avoid. It's not possible. As soon as she returns, I will tell her to come and see.
Thank you. Thank you, Zimawai. You don't even get this offer. Regalos. Then got away. Thank you.
This is for me, eh?
Yes. You will do it, you bigger one will come later.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, Baba to say
Yes. She will come and see you.
Thank you.
Hey! Obi! Abeg, come. Abeg, wetin you give this one?
Mama, only one mat when I give and chop. Now make and they follow me like
Avoid them. Avoid this one.
how much you give?
200 naira. Boy.
200 naira, so.
Hey, if you say as this money run for finish, na so you dey open am. Bring that.
Poverty.
And that goat wey dey there, na I carry come. Abeg, call Owu. Make him come carry this goat. Go sell am. Me, I no dey chop sacrificial lamb. I no dey chop sacrificial animal. Hey! That one wey dem don carry go give offering for shrine. Right? That's dey kill himself. No be for my house.
My instinct told me that you are going to be a sweet girl. Very sweet.
Hey! Timo! Eh? Hey! Yeah! What are you doing here? What are you doing with my husband? Inside the room? Hey!
Mama, come and hold your dog. Come and hold your dog.
Rita, is this the chicken money your mother sent you to come and collect?
Ask her.
Inside the room, on my son's bed?
Mama, I love him and he loves me. Ashota, Ishaya, nobody will take my husband away from me. Instead, I will kill everybody and kill myself.
Start by killing my mother. If you have plans of killing any person, start by killing my mother. Look at you. You kill everybody. Baby, see you later. Go.
Kill everybody. Sometimes I don't understand.
Mama, every night the spirit of he-goat will take over his body. He will not let me rest. Daybreak, he will be treating me like drag. Is it good? Emma or Demma? Is it good?
My son, your brother here brought a report, and that is why we are here.
I hope this report he brought to you has nothing to do with the oracle.
Exactly. That is the reason.
That is the reason. Well, let me save you the stress. I know you're a busy man. You're a busy man. I want to save you the stress, save you the time.
No, please don't bother about us and time. We have all the time with us. Do you know why I say this? This issue also affects the entire community.
If you have all the time, I don't have all the time. My answer is no.
No, Guinea. What have we said already?
No to anything that will take me to that shrine to sit as a chief priest.
It's not just any deity.
It is Ibudo. And every last son in this family has served this deity as a chief priest.
And your brother stood in when...
When what? I thought this juju told you people that I am dead.
You thought?
What makes you believe that I'm still alive? How are you sure that you're not speaking with a ghost? Yeah?
I told you. He's a stubborn boy. If I get angry over this matter now...
What will happen? If you get angry, what will happen? What will happen?
You won't like me. I won't like you. Let me tell you.
That you went to a Kamich to go and get 10 shilling juju does not give you the leverage to talk to me. Let me tell you once again. Let me not forget that you are my brother, because if I do, I will make you eat all the grass in this our village. Ichie, I don't want. Go and tell your juju that I am dead. According to how he said, what he said, I am still dead. Go and tell him. Let me save you this stress.
Yeah.
Take. This is my homage for time spent. This is my homage for your time spent.
All this for me. Are you Uchendo that have been worried for the past 3 days for money to make soup? This is Olenkane toge.
Tenkobo. Oloye Tenkobo.
Oloye Tenkobo. Babolo.
Yeah. What just happened? Okay, my hey! He gave you something. Money. You collected. Ed. You collected. Shameless people. Shameless people.
Ekene, watch your tongue. We are Ndiche. By the way, what do you want us to do? Beat him up? Mbana.
I will talk to him.
Look into that matter, but not today.
I will talk to him. Besides, he has a point. He was buried. Funeral ahead. And so, he's dead though. He's dead.
You and whatever money he has given to you, Ona. Because if you are here, if you enter inside and come out, you will never remain the same.
Oh, good. Yeah? Oh, Mother, no, I'm a swim.
No more than butter. I'm very well. I know you. And by now you're supposed to know me.
Yes. You are my brother. My elder brother, for that matter. At times like this, you protect my interest.
I will eat grass. I'll chop all the grass.
No. Why would you chop grass?
Tell me what will happen if I see me on the fire. You know why? Because I don't have money for burial now.
Eh? Who's burial?
You. Because I will kill him. You know, I'm Najak. You know, I'm Najak. Me, I'm going. I'm going up.
Think about series. Now you know that we go so I could in a no one to promo when we buy a tap of way. To live one and the world. Show one cotton so. Jai Coco. Think about sweet one. Hi Coco. Think about sweet one. Think about.
How far? So you're finally out of prison on bail. Those police people they are very nice people.
Okay, so your plan now for make I die for them in Kusibe Abi. So you got to plan here. Money fellow, I will not leave you until you give me my own part of the money.
See, let me tell you, everything you have said, back to sender. Anything where you talk, back to sender. I have left Lagos for you. Enjoy. If it is easy, continue. Look at you. I used my Igbo sense to establish a business. I introduced you into the business. You came to Yoruba Owambe and series of parties to expose our business. And I want to put the blame on me. Look at that. See, make I tell you, your juju no get transport to locate where I live. In case you don't know, breeze no dey enter prison. Oh, no problem now until then. Now for no poor. Come.
What is happening with this? This where are you? Where are you? This come out there. Come out from that place. This where are you? This come out. Yes, I came to beg her to chain that mad dog before I poison it.
Dog?
Yes.
I don't understand.
I'm talking about Ofungwa. Look at what she did to my daughter. Look at her face.
Chineke! When?
This morning, no. At the public tap, she attacked me and almost killed me, shouting that because of me that Tenkobo no longer touches her at night.
One her, oh. Just one her. She has not come here to drag that Tenkobo from this house. He only saw good food and hungered for it.
I will handle the matter, please.
That good food will turn to maggot if I see her near my husband again. Look at this one. Osi husband? Which husband? Your husband is there lying in the grave. Why didn't you even die with him when he was buried?
No, leave her. Leave her, no way to get her. I will meet you at the junction where mad people are killed.
I will meet you there too. I will meet you there. No, go your
Let
me see her near my husband again.
You just secret attack? Bidi? Okay. Why are you confusing everybody? Causing confusion here and there. Eh? Girls, married women running after you, following you. What are you giving them? What's
Married
that?
women. Me.
Yes.
That is a fat lie. That is a very big lie. Ever since I returned to this village, I have not gone anywhere close to married women.
No, that's not even the issue. The issue is that the money you are throwing about, where do you get such money to throw about? Like somebody who just ran into money rituals.
Money rituals?
Yeah.
That's another fat lie. That is another big lie peddled by evil people. Let me ask you, how do you think that people make money from ritual? Yeah? You should know if actually money rituals gives money. You, Ekene, you would have become a billionaire by now.
Your father?
That is our father.
Yes. Don't fire you personally.
Why?
Because you insulted me.
I have not insulted you.
Okay. Where have you been the last 8 years? What was that gave you all this huge money you are throwing here and there? Yeah?
I like this question. I love it. See, tell me all your problems and I'll give you solution to all of them. This person talking to you. I am Oloye Tenkobo, the SSA to Oba of Lagos, even His Excellency. That is the Excellency of Lagos State. Do you know that Oluomo of Oshodi takes advice from me? That is mean. That is to tell you that it is not easy. I speak better Yoruba if I'm more Yoruba.
Oh, shut up, my friend! Confusing me and confusing yourself, or confusing yourself to confuse me. What's the problem? Let me tell you, madmen, any madman that is confused about his chain, bangles and necklaces is far from being cured. Very far. Okay. How about this girl inside? I want to advise you. If you're not interested to marry that girl, it is better that you let go, so that other interested men can marry her.
You can have her. You can have her. After all, I've not touched her. I've not.
Are you serious?
Of course, I've not.
Not even a... Are you serious?
Of course.
Wait. All this kwekwe are here in the night.
The kwekwe you hear in the night is because she doesn't sleep well. On a dinner, dinner.
Yeah. What does kwekwe has to do with Ajon dinner?
Kwekwe has to do with Ajon dinner because the bed tolerates kwekwe.
But you're in the bed.
Of course, where will I be?
You know, most time in the morning, anytime I see you, your hand smells like geisha.
Yes, it does smell like that anytime I eat late at night. Anytime I eat late, that's how my hand smells.
If I probably seen I'm going to go.
Is geisha maggot?
Wetin happen wey your face dey like potty? Talk now.
Mama kasala don burst o. In fact, pikin head don show for 6 months.
Wetin happen?
My guy.
Which one of them?
Officer, wetin be that one? Why you wan fall my hand like this?
Oh, sorry, no vex. You know say you be fine girl. And customer, sorry, suitors them plenty. Tell me wetin happen.
Mama, I'm talking about Tenkobo.
Ah, Oloye himself, my correct and #1 in-law. Wetin do am?
Mama, he has been asking me to do that thing with him. And according to your instruction, you said I should post him.
Yes, now. I be one making run as others take run. Sorry. Oh, yeah, tell me wetin happen.
Yeah. Anyway, Mama, while we were talking yesterday, he told me that his dreams has always been to marry a virgin.
How that one take concern you now? Even deliverance don't feel return your own. Oh, sorry, no verse. Wait till you can't tell her.
Mama, I did not tell him anything. I did not tell him anything until he said that he's going to give the lucky girl 500,000. 500,000 naira, including a car.
Sorry! That IG, stupid. The IG will give me this uniform. Make I wear. They mad. Wait till you talk.
Mama. Mama, now so this luck take past me.
Pass you for where? When me, Inspector Nkechi, is here. My veggie.
Mama di mama.
Eh? My veggie. My veggie.
Mama.
I will package you. Don't worry. Now that one make your face day like this. Don't worry yourself. I will package you. Nigga Nabia. Ibudu, okay, ta. Ejejemu ma tumpe ibon sigarere wom anamoni were jam anamoni were jam ha obiji ibudoka what? Let me know. Stop! I hope you know we don't cry here. Do you hear me? Do not let the anger of Ibudu carry this body down. Down.
We will remove the head and give to Otakasi. The body will be for the earth. It's a food. This moment. Move him! Udanigwe! Nataba! The head is for Ibudu. Otakas. For the earth. It is not for you. Go home! I don't want to see you here!
Okay? I don't know what is happening now. I've been to 5 different towns and all the people I met refuse to do business with me.
Is it that they don't know how to do sharp business or what?
This is any tire, fire, head bridge, heads will roll.
Just like that. For what? Hi. Oh, this is why I miss Lagos. I miss Lagos so much. Eko Otibaje. Otibaje Gongon.
I'm waiting for the meaning.
Oh, sorry. It means that Lagos is very sweet. And that's what it means. Eko Otibaje. Otibaje Gongon. It is very, 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 very sweet. When you hear Yoruba man say Gongon, it means that the thing is very, 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 very. So Otibaje Gongon, it means that it is very, 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 very sweet. But that on the side. What do we do now?
To me, I think I will go to other towns on the outskirts and check if I could actually meet people that would do business.
That would be very fantastic. That would be very fantastic. I hope you still remember the spare parts that I want.
Yes, I remember. Wiper, 10 each. Radiator, 15. Shock absorber, 20. I remember all those things.
Most importantly, I want you to make additional of 20 horns. You understand? Very big horn, like that of a trailer, a luxurious bus. All those big horns. I put them like 20. Put 20 horns. I am not forgetting one fact that I need to sponsor your movement. You are counting. And you man. Hey.
Don't blame me.
Owo koda.
I know you will tell me the meaning.
It means Owo koda means money is very good. That is what Owo koda means. It moves the mountain. It moves the mountain. Let us move before somebody begin to, Owo koda.
So who is the girl?
Mama, you will not know her. She's not from this village.
Yeah. Oh, no brother. I ask so because there are no virgins left in this town.
Not this person in question. This person is from a responsible home.
Yeah.
She's from a good home.
And you are sure it is not a farmer's daughter, Rita? Because that one's middle name is Bed Inuakwa. No addition, no subtraction.
Yeah, of course, Mama, she's not the person. She's not a farmer's daughter.
Then who is she? Who is the idiot that wants to steal my husband from me? Because I will kill her and kill myself. Mama, I will kill her and kill myself.
Mama,
I have always warned you about this girl. I have always warned you. Anytime she opens her mouth to talk, what comes out of her mouth is kill, 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 kill. I am sure her father was a failed butcher or a member of secret court. Honestly speaking, no.
You can say anything you want. God knows I'm not leaving my husband's house for any idiot.
Who is your husband? Who is your husband? Let me tell you. Number one, I am not your husband. You are not my wife. I did not come to your place to pay any shilling on you. You're not my wife. Two, you heard me talk about my wife-to-be, who is a virgin. A virgin untouched.
What's special about that? What's so special about that? Was I not a virgin when I came to this house before?
Before what? Before what? Sorokiakia. Sorokiakia. Mbati mbati. Before? Mama. Over to you. Mama. Tori don't get killed. Temiti by you. Tie by you. Temiti by you, mama. Tie by you. Shobon koton soni en negen sini. To baba bo ma ta ba fo won jota. O shodi oke na ile oke. Shobon.
Nko shko na ogini.
Mama Yoruba. This is Yoruba, Ijebu Yoruba for that matter. Mama, this is the inner, in fact, the deepest part of Ijebu. It is only a rooted Ijebu Yoruba man or woman that can understand this Yoruba. Tibayu. Temi Tibayu, mama. Tibayu. Shobon koton soni en negen sini. O shodi oke na ile oke. Shobon, you want it. Mama. Onuru ka wa mmadụ juma na-ekwu akụkọ mmadụ ibe go chụla gụra ịhụrụ n'anya onye pụta ụtụtụ ọdịwa onye ke ya kọrọ jụwa ajụjụ onye ka o si n'aka a ga-alele oyoyo.
Before what? Was it not Ebuka, my son, that Mopogi? Hey!
Mama, I washed it very well. Blood no fit flow unless it triggers it.
What about that?
I used it yesterday as you suggested, and a few hours back, Mama gets something. It is sealed. I can't believe my eyes. Mama, now you they share wisdom, Mama.
So, sit down there, they look now. I see say your father take catch me. Yeah? Hey, that man go fit swear juju say I ain't first right this was. Hey.
You send message across. They brought message back that you are dead. That was what you told them before you share money and give them.
That was in the past. You people have always wanted me to come back to take my place as the chief priest. I have come. In fact, I have made up my mind to serve Ibudu. Is there anything wrong? But now I have quitted. Now that I am here, it means that I have quitted.
You quitted?
Stop this your Mbati this thing. How much has Mbati put in your account?